Tired of weak e-bikes dying on steep climbs? Laggy acceleration and short range ruin every adventure. I felt stuck before finding a real off-road solution. Then I tried the Freego N5 electric dirt bike. Mid-drive 4000W nominal, 8000W at peak motor, insane torque. Explosive acceleration and hill climbing even on steep technical trails. Top speed hits 53 mph, pure adrenaline for speed lovers. Yet it's controllable thanks to 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes. Upgraded rotors give smooth, reliable stopping at high speeds. Battery is 72V40AH. Long rides without constant charging. 84V10A charger fully charges in about 4 hours. Eco mode stretches range up to 70 miles at slow speeds. Switch to Sport for 40 miles at 40 mph performance. Forged aluminum frame balances strength and lightweight durability. Supports riders up to 264 pounds for heavy-duty use. 19-inch front and 18-inch rear tires for solid traction. Long travel suspension soaks bumps, keeping you confident off-road. Bike weighs around 159 pounds. Agile but stable in turns. On trails, I launch fast, climb hard, and corner tight. The torque pulls through sand, rocks, mud without hesitation. Brakes bite instantly. Confidence on descents and emergency stops. Night rides feel safe with bright LED head and taillights. Display gives clear info. NFC/I TFT options simplify controls. Practical for commuting, adventure weekends, or rental fleet use. Fast 4-hour charging means more riding, less waiting around. Rugged build and proven components reduce maintenance headaches. If you crave speed, range, and trail capability, this delivers. Try the Freego N5. Feel the difference on your first ride. Visit our page to compare specs and place orders. Built for thrill seekers, commuters, and rental operators alike. Want real off-road power? Meet the Freego X2 Beast. 6000W peak motor delivers explosive acceleration up to 50 mph. Imagine conquering steep trails and rough single track with confidence. Weekend overnights, farm work, or adrenaline-packed trail apps. Removable 60V30A 1800 weight battery powers long-distance rides. Expect 37 to 56 miles per charge. Real-world range. 7-speed Shimano gearing optimizes climbs and efficient cruising. 19 by 2-inch knobby tires bite into loose terrain. Full suspension with long travel forks smooth out big hits. Aluminum alloy frame balances durability with agile, lightweight handling. Powerful hydraulic discs deliver precise stopping even downhill fast. Self-adjusting pads maintain consistent brake feel mile after mile. High-torque hub motor provides immediate throttle response and pull. Push to 50 miles per hour on open sections confidently. Robust design supports up to 264 pounds payload comfortably. Intuitive LCD shows speed, distance, battery, and ride modes. Adjustable assist levels tailor power delivery for any terrain. Bright LED headlight and integrated taillight improve visibility. Less range anxiety, more miles and bolder route choices. Transition from commuter to weekend explorer with one upgrade. Ideal for rental fleets, tours, and adventure operators seeking durability. Ergonomics fit adults and taller teens, 5'6" to 6'4". Removable battery simplifies charging, storage, and off-season maintenance. Knobby fat tires handle sand, snow, mud, and rocks. 4-piston calipers provide plus 60% stopping power versus mechanical brakes. Enjoy smooth, planted handling even on technical rocky descents. Ready to upgrade your off-road experience starting today? Test ride the Freego X2 at your local dealer now. Backed by rugged engineering and practical commuter-friendly features. Push boundaries, ride farther, and own the trail today. Tired of short rides that end halfway through adventure? Battery dies on remote trails, leaving you stranded miles away. Weak motors struggle on climbs, ruining momentum and fun. Mechanical brakes fade under stress, compromising safety on descents. Suspension bounces you offline, making rough trails exhausting. Tires slip on mud, sand, and loose gravel frequently. Heavy frames are hard to control over technical sections. No clear ride data leaves you guessing range and speed. Slow top speed limits. Thrill seekers on open fire roads. Complex gearing fails to match changing terrain efficiently. Freego X2 delivers 6,000 dwh peak power for instant acceleration. Reach up to 50 miles per hour on wide trails. 1800 dwh removable battery gives 3756 mile practical range. Swap batteries quickly. Continue your journey without long waits. Full suspension soaks bumps with inverted forks and coil shock. 19 by 2-inch knobby tires increase traction across sand, mud, rock. Aluminum alloy. Frame balances durability with predictable, agile handling. 4-piston hydraulic brakes provide 60% more stopping power. Self-adjusting pads ensure consistent brake feel, mile after mile. Shimano 7-speed gearing matches power to changing trail grades. Bright LED headlight and taillight keep visibility during dusk rides. Intuitive LCD displays speed, distance, battery status in real time. Longer range lets you explore remote trails confidently and freely. Dominant acceleration turns steep climbs into effortless momentum builders. Reliable brakes give control and calm during technical descents. Comfortable suspension reduces fatigue for longer multi-hour rides. Rugged tires and frame handle diverse terrain with confidence. Quick battery swaps maximize ride time for day-long adventures. Clear LCD and modes optimize efficiency and rider awareness. Invest in Freego X2 and elevate every off-road experience. 3, 2, 1. Extreme Bike Challenge begins right now. Problem City. Commuter bikes struggle on rough off-road terrain, need speed, range, and reliable braking for real adventures. Introducing the Freego X2 Pro. 6,000 new. Peak off-road beast. 3,000 dwh nominal motor, 6,000 dwh burst for thrilling acceleration, dual modes. City mode limits to 28 mph. Off-road unlocks 50 mph. 60 35A removable battery. Delivers up to 60 miles range. Magnetic pedal assist sensor for smooth starts and effortless cruising. Full suspension plus fat 19 knobs 2.0. Tires conquer any terrain. 4-piston hydraulic brakes and 203mm discs. Stop with confidence. Robust high-strength steel frame adds durability without heavy weight. Ergonomic improvements, thicker seat, lowered height, non-slip grips. M5 display gives speed, battery, trip data at glance. Fan-cooled charger and improved suspension for reliable long rides. Now the challenge, city commute sprint versus off-road hill climb. Timer set, 30 seconds for each course, go. City mode engaged, smooth acceleration controlled 28 mph top, effortless. Pedal assist helps pass traffic without breaking sweat. Switch to off-road mode, full power unleashed immediately. 50 mph top speed, torque pushes up steep rutted climbs. Fat tires and suspension absorb rocks, roots, and bumps. Hard braking test now. 4-piston system keeps composure, smooth modulation, short stopping distance, rider relieved smile. Seat comfort to proven after long ride, no numbness. Removable battery swap demonstration. Quick change under 30 seconds. Result comparison. Commuter convenience plus off-road. Adrenaline combined. Facial reaction, pure grin, eyes wide, clearly impressed. Recommendation, Freego X2 Pro. Perfect for commuters and thrill seekers. Safety note, fits riders 5'6" to 6'4". Call to action. Try the X2 Pro today. Feel the power. I found a dirt bike that changed my weekends. It looks like a motocross machine, but rides like freedom. Meet the Freego X2 Pro, my new adventure partner. 3,000 W, nominal power, 6,000 W peak, pure acceleration unleashed. Hit city mode for calm, 28 mph rides, perfect commuting. Switch to off-road mode and reach 50 mph screaming thrills. 60V30H battery gives long range and consistent power. M5 display shows speed, battery level, trip mileage instantly. Magnetic pedal assist kicks in the moment you start pedaling. It feels legal and natural, qualifying as an electric bicycle. Half-twist throttle and non-slip grips keep control during long rides. Upgraded motorcycle-grade spokes and knobby tires bite every surface. Full suspension and improved shocks soak bumps like magic. 4-piston hydraulic brakes with 203mm discs stop instantly, confidently. An ADA controller gives strong, immediate throttle response, uphill. Steel frame adds toughness while barely increasing total weight. Seat is 10% thicker, lowered for comfortable reach. Fan-cooled charger and durable battery keep you riding longer. I tested it on steep trails, sand, and city streets. Up a rocky climb, torque pulled me without hesitation. On a mixed commute, city mode conserved power, felt smooth. At full throttle, the speedometer hit 50 miles per hour. Braking hard, 4-piston system held firm, proved total trust. Friends watched, mouths open, then asked where I bought it. This bike fits riders between 5'6" and 6'4" comfortably. Payload supports heavy gear, ready for long adventures together. If safety worries you, upgraded brakes and suspension reassure. It blends motocross attitude with daily commuter practicality effortlessly. Want one? Message us on Amazon for a fast reply. Ride the Freego X2 Pro and reclaim your weekends today.